What's going on, guys? It's Chris again. Now we have this 2021 Chevy Blazer. This is the blackout package. It's really nice. I don't know, leave your comments what you guys think. To be a Blazer, to be honest with you, I really like the body style. It doesn't look like a Blazer, that's for sure, but I really like it. So in this one we just did two front windows matching the rear factory. So just so you guys know, normally what I explained before, SUVs has a stained glass in the back, which is a factory tint. So we're just trying to match it with the two front windows. These are the material look from the inside looking out. So everything look kind of similar too. Really nice, beautiful interior as well. Has some red stitching, some red accents. So that'll make it look really, really nice. So there it goes, guys. If there's any questions, give us a call. That number is 909-570-9954.